The DJI Air 2 drone, an amazing option for the price. The DJI Air 2 drone is the latest addition to their impressive lineup of drones, and it has already captured the imagination of drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. 1. Lightweight and portable DJI Air 2 drone. Despite its small size, the DJI Air 2 still boasts an impressive range of up to 10 kilometers and a flight time of up to 34 minutes, making it a versatile tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. 2. Hasselblad camera for stunning photos. This top-of-the-line camera is built into the DJI Mavic series, including the Air 2, and offers exceptional image quality and resolution. 3. 4K video resolution with 60 FPS. With the DJI Air 2, users can easily switch between 4K recording at 60 FPS and 1080p at 120 FPS, giving them the flexibility to capture footage in a variety of settings. 4. 3-axis stabilized gimbal for smooth video. With the ability to capture 4K video at 60 frames per second, the smoothness of the footage is truly impressive. 5. Intelligent features for easy flying. Overall, the DJI Air 2 is a top-of-the-line drone that is perfect for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage with ease. 6. Includes obstacle avoidance technology. The DJI Air 2 drone is a top-of-the-line aerial photography tool that boasts an impressive array of features. 7. Long battery life for extended flights. The DJI Air 2 drone is one of the best drones in the market, with its compact size and advanced features. 8. Easy to use and intuitive. The Air 2 also features a range of intelligent and automatic flight modes, which can be easily accessed through the DJI Fly app. 9. Great option for hobbyists. With its advanced features and capabilities, the DJI Air 2 drone is designed to provide the best possible performance and image quality, while also being easy to use and operate. 10. Competitive price for quality product. The DJI Air 2 is also a great alternative to the smaller DJI Mini, offering more advanced features and a longer battery life.